Why? What are you doing here so soon?
The summons dire, they sounded, Jaina. What happened?
Yogg-Saron, he has awakened.
I want to see this Oathbreaker.
Garrosh.
To see the fear in their eyes. Then we'll know if he's telling the truth.
No, wait!
We are going to need all the help we can get if we are...
Thrall!
What? What are they
Let me
doing
explain.
here?
I thought I smelled the stench of Alliance pig.
Your self-control.
You jelly? Come on then, dog.
You shall not pass!
Oh no!
A great deal in this conflict. But we stand to lose everything if we do not stop fighting and work together.
Traitors gonna trait, haters gonna hate.
At the Wrathgate, the Horde's partnership killed more of our men than the Scourge. I'm done with your Horde. May this death god take you all.
Disappoint me, you do, Garrosh.
You would.